Question 12. So we've got to start off by working out the interquartile range of these points. So step one, put them all in order from smallest to biggest. Now the interquartile range is unlike the range. The range would simply be biggest take away smallest. With the interquartile range we want to sort of get rid of the bottom quarter and the final quarter. So this is how you do it. Start off by finding the middle one. So the middle one of 11 is the sixth one in. So I've circled that in red. Then just focus on the terms before the middle terms. You see we've got these 5 terms here, and circle the middle of those. That's circling the 17. Then move on to the terms after the median, after the 21, and circle the middle of those, which is 23. So we're then effectively discarding the lower quartile, the 14 and the 16, and discarding the upper quartile, the 24 and 24, and taking the biggest from the smallest of what we've got left. So that's 23, take away the 17, which is 6. Now, which is the more consistent point scorer? Now, you've got to appreciate that it's the median is really telling you which is better, which is the highest, okay? But with regard to consistency, where you just don't have as much variation, then you really need to be looking at the range, or the interquartile range, and the smaller the range, the more consistent you are, because the closer you are to that middle value all the time, okay? So think it of like a cricketer. If somebody scores 10 runs, then 20 runs, and then 80, then 90, they're not very consistent. They're going to have a big range in interquartile range, but someone who's really consistent, sort of getting around 50 every time, you know, 45, 48, 56, 50, 49, whatever, you worked out the range of those, it would be very small because those results are really tightly bunched. So if you're looking for consistency, you're looking for the lowest possible interquartile range or range. Don't mention median.